Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nursing Virus. On today's lecture, we are going to see what is delusion and what are the different forms of delusion and what type of delusion can be seen in particular psychiatric disorder. We'll see. Let's move on with the meaning of delusion. Actually, this is one of the thought-related problem. That means the person thinking. It is a false, fixed, unshakable belief in something that is not true or based on the reality. What are the thoughts the person is stating to us that is will not have any clear evidence for that. Simply we can state that the person cannot able to differentiate which is real and which is imagined. Keep remember that the delusion of the various types can be seen only in the psychotic disorder. There are the different types of delusion. We'll go with that each meaning and the examples. The first one, the delusion of grandiose. That is nothing, the inflated self-worth and power and believe that they have the great talent or knowledge. Even as some person they used to state that the God is created him to rule out the entire world. And some more example, they may say that they have the special magical power to cure all the disorders in the human being. And this delusion of grandiose can be seen in the manic patient. And second one, delusion of persecution. Here, the client believes that he is being attacked or cheated or spied or even harassed. And frequently they used to complain about their higher authorities. For example, they used to complain their own family members or their boss or in that working place seniors. For example, he may doubt his own family members adding poison in the food and they are trying to kill him. The delusion of persecution mainly seen in case of schizophrenia. And third one, delusion of reference. Here, falsely believes that others are talking about him. For example, the person is believes that the people on television or radio, they are talking about the person. They are discussing something about him. And this delusion of reference can be mainly seen in the schizophrenia. Delusion of jealousy. Here, the spouse or the lover is unfaithful to him or her like that they used to believe. The other name is delusion of infidelity or Othello syndrome. Why they kept the Othello syndrome for this type of delusion mean? We know that the Shakespeare, he were run as a drama and he have a character like Othello. He is the person who murdered his wife as a result of a false belief that she has been unfaithful. So that's why they kept his name for this symptom. And this delusion of jealousy is very common in case of alcohol dependent person. And Baisare delusion. Here, the person may used to believe that many of the event which is impossible to happen in the reality or unrelated to the normal life. For example, the client will used to believe that he were growing many elephant on his abdomen or he may wish to believe that there are the many number of butterflies on his head and this biceral delusion is very common in schizophrenia or acute transient psychotic disorder. Somatic delusion. Here, the client will use to believe that they have a physical defect or medical problem. But actually speaking, the person will not have any kind of true disorder. He may use to go for various doctors, that is in medical psychiatric we'll used to call that a doctor shop, but they cannot find any proof for his problem. And this kind of and somatic delusion is common in case of and depression. The next one, nihilistic delusion. The delusional belief of being dead or decomposed. The person will used to believe that having lost one's own internal organ or even not existing entirely as his human being. That's why the person want to exit from the world, and this delusion is very common in case of depression. So in this kind of depressive person, they used to engage in the suicidal activity. And the next one, delusion of guilt. The client will used to believe that the person has done something shameful or sinful. The client will used to put all the blames towards himself for any kind of failure, which is actually he is not done. So this type of delusion also is very common in case of severe depression. So the last one, erotomania, or it is otherwise known as romantic. It's something is interesting one. The delusional belief that the other person is deeply in love with him or her. The lover may be inaccessible location or in the very highest socioeconomic status. Commonly, they used to believe an actor loves them and they are showing some kind of embodied gesture to secretly interact with the person. So this delusion is very common in case of schizophrenia and as well in case of mania. And thanks for joining with me. We'll see in the next video.